Hello modders! This video will present a quick step-by-step guide on building a Nautilus-style Seiko. The Nautilus build is one of the easiest Seiko mod, as the bezel, the glass, and the chapter ring is already pre-installed once you buy it at our store Watch and Style. For this mod, we will use a black-dated 𝓦𝓪𝓽𝓬𝓱 Seiko movement. First is we need to install the custom dial printed at our store Watch and Style. We remove the dial feet so that it will fit the holes in the movement that we are using. Don't forget to file the excess dial feet to make sure that the dial will be leveled against the movement. There is a separate video detailing this at our channel. Next step, we install the handset. Prepare the movement for installation by ensuring that the hands can be set at 12 o'clock midnight. And then, install the hour, then the minute hand, and lastly, the seconds hand. As with the other steps, there is a separate video detailing hand installation at our channel. Next step is combining the movement to the Nautilus case. This requires installing the crown to the movement and making sure that the inside of the case is clean and dirt-free. Check out our channel for some special techniques quickly shown here in installing the crown. Next step is combining the movement to the Nautilus case. This requires installing the crown to the movement and making sure that the inside of the case is clean and dirt-free. Check out our channel for some special techniques quickly shown here in installing the crown. Then, install the case cover and make sure that it is tight. Last, we install the strap. We are using a rubber strap for this video. There you have it, the Nautilus style build. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.